Hi guys, this is Arpana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today the title is about analysis and synthesis of a prior art bibliographic databases. First is introduction. Prior art databases, they will be serving as a repositories of existing inventions as well as the knowledge, and they are critical in the patent examination and also the intellectual property assessments. So understanding these databases, it will be helped in the navigating the complexities of the innovations. Prior art databases, these are the crucial for the patent search and intellectual property management. They will be compiling published the literature, patents, and other documents which are relevant to the innovation. Understanding their structure, it is also one of the essential for the effective analysis as well as the synthesis. Importance of the prior art analysis. Analyzing the prior art is essential in order to determine the novelty of an invention. It helps in to prevent the potential patent infringement issues. Comprehensive prior art search, they can save the time as well as the resource in the patent process. Analyzing the prior art, it will be helps it to identify the existing inventions and avoid the infringement. It informs the innovation process, guiding research and also the development efforts. Types of prior databases. There will be different types of databases which will be including like patent databases, scientific literature, and also the commercial databases. Each type they will be serves as a distinct purpose catering to various aspects of the prior art analysis. Understanding these categories, it may help the researchers in order to choose the right database for their needs. Bibliographic databases overview. Bibliographic databases, they catalog information about the various publications and the patents. They will be facilitating the access to detailed metadata, including the authorship as well as the publication dates. Users can perform their complex search to retrieve the relevant prior art efficiently. Key bibliographic databases. Popular databases, they will be including in Google, Patents, SpaceNet, and also USPTO database. But each database, it will be having a unique features which will be tailored to the specific user needs. Familiarity with these databases, it will be enhance the effectiveness of the prior art search. Database sources for the prior art. Prior art data, it can be sourced from patent offices and the academic institutions. Online repositories and journals, they will be also contributing to the wealth of the information. Consolidating data from multiple sources, they will be ensures a comprehensive searches. Searching methodologies. Effective searches, they will be requiring a strategic keyword selection and also the Boolean operators. So utilizing the advanced search filters, it can narrow down the results to the most relevant. So iterative searching and the refining techniques, they can improve the search outcomes over time. Challenges in the prior art searches. The sheer volume of available data, it can lead to the information overload. So variability in language and terminology complicates the search accuracy. Ensuring the comprehensive coverage, it will be requiring a persistent effort as well as the expertise. Analyzing the techniques. So analyzing the prior art involves evaluating the relevance and also the impact of the findings. Techniques, it may be citation analysis and the reveal relationships between the works. Trend analysis, it can identify the emerging technologies and also shifts in the innovation. Synthesis of the findings. So synthesizing data, it will be involving a consolidating insights from the multiple sources. And also whatever this process is there, it will be help us in order to create a holistic view of the technological landscape. Effective synthesis, it will be informs the strategic decision making in R&D and patenting. Case studies in the prior art analysis. So real world examples like illustrating the application of the prior art analysis and successful patent applications, they will be often rely on the thorough prior art investigations. So case studies, it may be provide the valuable lessons for the future innovations also. Legal considerations, see, it will prior art, it will be playing a very crucial role in the patent litigation and the disputes. So understanding these legal precedents is vital for the effective prior art analysis. Knowledge of the patent law can guide researchers in the navigating the complex issues. Technological tools for the analysis. So there are many software tools which can enhance the efficiency of the prior or search. So automated systems, they will be analyzing the large data sets and also identifying the relevant patterns. But integrating the AI as well as the machine learning, they will be revolutionize the prior art methodologies. Collaborative approaches. So collaboration among the researchers like patent attorneys and inventors, these are essential in this process. And sharing insights, it can lead to more robust prior art evaluations. Establishing the network, it can facilitate the access to diverse resources as well as the expertise. Future trends in the prior art research. The integration of the big data analytics is the shaping the future of the prior art searches. So increased emphasizes on open access databases, which will be emphasizing the information sharing. Emerging the technologies, it will be continue to evaluate the methodologies which will be used in the analysis, training and the resources. Ongoing education, which is a crucial for staying updated on the best practices, because day by day there will be more updates which will be come across, and workshops and online courses, they can enhance the skills in the prior art analysis. Access to research tools and databases is a vital for the effective learning. Ethical considerations. So, ethical use of the prior art is a paramount in the research as well as the development fields, and proper attribution and respect for the intellectual property rights are very, very essential. Researchers, they must navigate the ethical dilemmas with the integrity and the transparency. Conclusion. So, prior art analysis and the synthesis, these are the critical for the innovation as well as the patenting in the present scenario world. But a strategic approach, it may enhance the quality of the research as well as the development efforts. So, with the continued advancements in technology, they will refine these processes further. So, thank you for giving such an opportunity to explain about the prior art databases.